We'll begin by splitting the case with the pry tool. Once the back is off, you need to remove the connector from the motherboard here. Next, you can lift up the drive and remove the ribbon cable from its connector, and then remove the drive. Now you can remove the screws that are placed here, 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 and here. Once the screws are removed, you can gently tip the motherboard to the left and gently grasp the screen to remove it. To reassemble, reverse the order.